JD.com is attracting heightened investor attention after releasing its latest earnings report, which showed stronger than expected revenue growth and solid margins despite macroeconomic headwinds in China. While the financial results were largely positive, highlighting steady user base expansion, improved operational efficiency, and healthy cash flow, many investors are puzzled by the stock's muted or even negative price reaction. This disconnect between fundamentals and market sentiment has sparked frustration in online trading communities, with some calling it a classic case of good news ignored in Chinese equities. A key point of debate is JD.com's increased investment in emerging business segments, especially its push into food delivery and local on demand services. While some market participants see these ventures as essential for long term ecosystem growth and competitiveness against rivals like Meituan and Alibaba, others worry they may pressure near term profitability and stretch resources. Bulls argue the current valuation already prices in much of the risk and positions JD as a bargain relative to its growth potential, particularly given its strong logistics network and brand loyalty. The discussion also extends to the broader Chinese tech sector, where sentiment remains cautious due to regulatory overhangs, geopolitical tensions, and uneven economic recovery data. However, optimists point to potential catalysts for a sector wide rally, including policy stimulus from Beijing, stabilization in consumer spending, and signs of easing regulatory scrutiny. In this context, some traders view JD.com not just as a company specific play, but as a potential beneficiary of a broader rebound in Chinese growth stocks, making current levels an attractive entry point for the patient investor.
Okay, so the stock is up 0.31%. This is Thursday, the 14th of August. Intraday high 33.7. Let's see what's going on. This is its 4-hour chart. The stock has been showing a decent amount of strength since Monday the 11th. Yeah, Monday the 11th. Been showing, I think, mostly more from the post market session of Monday the 11th. Strength is expected to remain in place up till Friday's, up till today's post market session, when a decline is expected to play out and expected to remain that way pretty much up till Monday, the 25th of August. In terms of projections, do we have anything to the upside? 32.46. What is it related to what we have? It's a slight downward projection. Let's see what we have. We have 32.05. It's also a downward projection. Yeah, below that, 39, that's 1.90, 31.64, 29.16, 28.14, 27.50. Let's see, yeah, okay, here as of Tuesday, the 29th of July, we had 38.92. Below that, 38.05, 36.65, 32.41, 36.69. There's also 33.15. Nothing really ambitious. No, nothing really ambitious in terms of projections. Okay, 33.33, just right around where it is right now. Yeah, or rather, right around the intraday high we've seen in this session. So nothing really ambitious there as such. So we have in terms of projections. Okay, yeah. So the moving averages are in strong trend modes. You can see that all positive, positive, and no negative derivatives, indicating that yeah, the stock has done has cleared through all the negativity, and probably indicating that you know this may be time to take profits or something like that. It may be time. It may or may not be, and yeah, if anything as well, that's the strength is that is it's currently showing. It's also based on a decent amount of strong foundation. We could also have a look at its price price channel. No, it's market grid. It's going to give us an indication of the if we didn't get the projections, the Fibonacci projections, we can also get a lot more prices from the market grid. So, but the market grid has does it's not looking fantastic. 32.88. We actually have a higher price here, 33.70. So the market grid is not. Things have since changed. Yeah, not giving us anything really ambitious. So okay, we could just quickly have a look at its 1 minute chart. You never know what we're going to see here. Let's see, 32.70. We have 33.37, right? 33.70. So these are yeah somewhat close to what we saw over there. I think it was 33.70. Okay, yeah. As of today, we had as of today, and not very long ago, a couple of hours ago, there was 36.21, 35.77, 35.04, 33.30. They didn't print. The closest we got to that was 33.03. We also saw here as well. Indeed, it printed 33.70. Yeah. Let's just quickly glance at the 2 minute chart. Yeah, we've seen 35.26 or something close to that already. Let's have a look at the 3 minute chart. 32.81, 32.81, 33.14. 5 minute chart. Let's see. 35.27, 34.83, 32.01. Okay, let's go back to the 4 hour chart. Okay. So it's not exactly fascinating as such, but we could even try and compute some projections ourselves. We could just do this. Take 33.7 and remove 31.77 from it. So we could just say we have a difference of um, 2, or we say 1.93, 1.93. So we just take that 1.93 as the difference between those two prices. 1.93 multiplied by 1.618. We have 3.12, add that to 32.85. We have 35.97. Okay. It sounds exciting. Sounds positive. 35.97. 33.70. Okay, so 1.9793 actually multiplied by 2.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 5.05. Add that to 32.85. We have 37.90. Okay, we try again. 1.93 multiplied by 3.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 6.98. Add that to 32.85. We have 39.83. So those are the projections. In addition to the ones you've already seen, we have 33.70, 35.97, 37.90, 39.83. We haven't seen anything beyond $35. There might be some on its daily chart, but just have a look and see what you make of JD stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.